Today's recipe, pasta in white sauce. The ingredients: boiled pasta, milk, Tabasco sauce, red chili flakes, pasta seasoning, oregano spice, butter, cheese slices, Maida or all-purpose flour, black pepper powder, and salt. Melt butter on low flame. Since we're using garlic butter, we are not adding garlic. Otherwise, you can add half a teaspoon of garlic. That's enough. Once the butter melts, add the maida or the all-purpose flour. Stir mix constantly on low flame so that it forms a smooth paste. Break all lumps. Once this mixture starts giving off fragrance, add the milk and stir constantly. Add the milk as soon as you get the fragrance, otherwise the mixture might burn. Stir constantly. Add the salt, the black pepper powder, oregano spice. Stir a bit. Add the pasta seasoning. And the red chili flakes. Stir this mixture constantly on low flame so that it does not burn, and stir it constantly. Now add the cheese slice. And keep stirring till the cheese melts and the sauce thickens a bit. If the sauce is thick at this point of time, you can add some water, some warm water, or even normal tap water, and mix it. Just ensure you make the sauce on low flame so that it does not stick to the bottom of the pan and get burnt. The sauce is almost ready, so if you're going to consume it now, you add the pasta, but do not add the pasta and let the prepared pasta remain for some time, because then the sauce becomes too thick and it will stick to the pasta as well. So ensure that you add the pasta just before you want to eat it, or you make it and consume it immediately. This is the consistency of the white sauce, or maybe a little more thick will work as well. The sauce is done, so we'll now add the pasta. Add the pasta and stir the pasta and the sauce well so that the pasta gets coated properly with the sauce. Stir the pasta and the white sauce well. And when everything is mixed up properly, we add the Tabasco sauce. The pasta and white sauce is ready, so transfer it to a serving bowl. You can garnish it with fresh leaves of basil or oregano. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and hope you like the video. Please do share it if you like it. Thank you.